Hello, District 200. This is Erica Liacano coming to you live from Monroe Middle School. We are in an Mr. Babb's extended school year program classroom at Monroe. Normally, this program is housed for students in grades kindergarten through 12th grade over at Bauer Elementary, but we've got some heavy construction, as I'm sure some of you have seen, over at Bauer this summer, so the program was moved over to Monroe this year. And so first I'd like to introduce you to Mrs. Susan Waters. She is our administrator for the extended school year program. She's going to talk to us a little bit about the program. We're going to hear from the classroom teacher, Mr. Babb, and then you'll get to hear from some of our students today. So I'm going to pop behind the camera now and let Mrs. Waters talk to us tell us about what the program is all about.
Thanks for joining us today. As Erica said, that we are here at Monroe this summer. We have about 180 students from around the district who have special education IEPs. And what we do here during the summer is we try to maintain their reading, their writing, and all their other academics. But in the meantime, we do like to have some fun. And one of the things that we really build up every year is a celebration of the 4th of July. So what you're going to be seeing today is a little bit different twist on our 4th of July assembly, which will be on Monday. And typically we have students perform live, but we thought that we would integrate some technology this year into our program. So we've got Mr. Babb, who during the school year is our library director at Washington. He is a film editor extraordinaire, has made hundreds of videos, and what better person than to work with our high school students to help them through the editing, the filming, and basically the production of this video that we will see on Monday.
Well, thank you, Mr. Babb. So we're in your classroom here at Monroe. Can you talk to us about what students have been working on?
So every day when the students come to summer school, we focus on academic subjects like reading and math, and for today we're really focusing on the 4th of July presentation. So behind me you can see the green screen right now, and that was provided by the Student Excellence Foundation. So we're using their equipment that they got for 17 out of 20 schools, and I am really thankful for this class, and what you're going to see today are the students who have planned out what they're going to say. They picked their own scripts, they put this sequence together, and my goal was to kind of facilitate their project and help them and equip them with what they need to create a video. And so you're going to see a live scene in a little bit. Students are working on editing the video, practicing their lines, and then actually using the green screen. So you'll see all the steps in there. So
let's get on the move. Let me just unclip this. Okay.
All right. So first at this table we have Eamon and Gracie. They're both students at Wheaton Warrenville South. And so Gracie, can you tell Ms. Liacano and everybody what you're working on?
The background for the 4th of July is fireworks and American flag.
Very good.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you. And then over here we have Emily, Mr. Sherwin, and Isaiah, and they're practicing what? So Emily, can you tell us what you're practicing?
I'm practicing my lines.
You're practicing your lines for the video. And can you share with us what your lines are? So we're not going to get you on camera with the green screen, but can you share what your lines are?
The United States is 242 years old.
Awesome.
Good.
Thank you very much. And Isaiah, would you like to share your lines? Would you like to share your lines that you...
Like to read what you got there, Isaiah?
Barbecues are so big on Independence Day.
Awesome. Thank you, Isaiah.
Good.
So now let's come on over here. And these students are actually going to do a green screen scene. So I have Elena, Michael, and Kenny. Kenny's going to be starting at Wheaton North in the fall. And then these are two high schoolers, one from Wheaton South and the other from Wheaton North. So why don't you come over here, Ms. Liacano? And Kenny, whenever you're ready, you can start recording. And Elena and Michael can share their lines.
See you. Okay.
Ready, Kenny? Take it away.
Okay.
The Declaration of Independence, where the two signers was Thomas Jefferson and President John Adams.
The Pennsylvania Evening Post was the first newspaper to print the Declaration of Independence on July 6, 1776.
Awesome. Good job. All
Great
right, that's a wrap,
job.
Kenny. Good job.
So I can't wait to see what the finished product is going to look like. Will we be able to share this, the video out on the district's YouTube page?
Yes. So the video will be ready by Monday, July 2nd, when we're going to have everybody in ESY go to the common area, and we're going to put together our 4th of July presentation. So come back on Monday.
Great. Maybe if I could step back over to the back of the room and everybody could give a wave and say goodbye.
All right. Everybody. Bye.
Great job, students. We can't wait to see your video. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Thanks, Miss Waters.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.